Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
These are real funnels. Live right now, collecting leads, converting visitors, making sales. These websites went live this week. Every one of them professional, fully responsive, ready for traffic. None of this took more than 15 minutes to build. No designer, no developer, no copywriter, no ClickFunnels subscription. I'm going to build one right now. Just say yes. AI will generate your squeeze page, sales page, upsell page, thank you page, all connected. Forms working, ready for traffic. I'm not writing a single word. This is your FunnelHero AI dashboard. Everything you need in one clean place. See your total funnels, websites, domains, leads, and agency users all at a glance. Quick links to create, manage, and launch right from here. And your AI credits always visible so you always know exactly where you stand. Now let's build a funnel. Click Create Funnel, and the AI immediately asks you one simple question. What type of funnel are you building? Opt-in funnel, sales funnel, webinar funnel, upsell, thank you page, product launch. Just click and the AI takes it from there. And here's something powerful: every conversation is saved automatically. Close the tab, shut your laptop, come back later and pick up exactly where you left off. Nothing lost, ever. Now the AI walks you through the setup step by step like a smart assistant. First, your funnel name. Not sure what to call it? The AI suggests names based on your offer. Just answer and move forward. Then describe your offer in a few words. The AI reads it, understands it, and uses it to build copy that actually converts. Your domain and URL slug generated automatically. Clean, professional, ready to publish. Choose your language: English, Spanish, French, Hindi, Arabic, and more. Your funnel speaks your audience's language. After choosing language, if you want to add any reference, you can add it. Otherwise, type skip to go to next step. Now select your funnel pages: opt-in page, sales page, upsell, checkout, thank you page. Webinar registration, pick 2 to 5. The AI builds every single one. And you're not just picking pages, you're building the journey. Drag and drop to arrange the sequence: which page comes first, which comes next, which closes the sale. Your funnel, your flow, your order, exactly the way you want your customer to move through it. And here, this is where it gets exciting. Choose your AI coding model: Grok, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini. Choose your AI image model: Nano Banana, Flux, GPT image, Deep AI, Luma AI. Grok, you are in control. The most powerful AI on the planet, working exactly the way you want. Pick your theme mood: modern, bold, luxury, dark, creative, professional. Choose your brand colors: primary and secondary, and watch your entire funnel match your brand instantly. All set, the AI asks one final question. Ready to generate your funnel? Want to change anything: name, description, colors, or pages? Just say it. The AI updates it instantly. Happy with everything? Say yes, and it starts building. The AI gets to work and your page appears. Now the magic moment: your funnel opens in the AI editor. Live preview on the right, exactly how your customers will see it. Real headline, real copy, real design. Built by AI in seconds. And if you want to change anything, just tell the AI. On the left, your AI chat. Type exactly what you want changed, and it updates instantly. At the top, the next page button. Click it to create your next funnel page. Your choice, your control. Want to go deeper? Switch to drag and drop, move elements, swap images, change the site title. Add your own visuals, every pixel yours. And if your page has a form, the AI automatically detects it. Head to settings, connect your autoresponder, your integrations, everything wired up and ready to collect leads. Let's make a quick edit. Watch how we change the title and drop in a custom image just by telling the AI what we want. Simple, fast, done. Done editing this page. hit next page and build the next one. Same process AI builds, you refine, you publish. Once all your needed pages are created, review each one, make changes if you need, or just publish and move on. Changed your mind? Hit unpublish anytime. When every page is published, head over to Manage Funnels. Right here, hit the Publish button and your complete funnel goes live. Hit Preview. See your complete funnel exactly how your visitors will. Now back to Manage Funnels. Let's look at everything you can do here. Every funnel you've built right here. Status, type, date, all visible at a glance. Now let's look at what each button does. First, edit with AI. Jump back into the AI editor, change anything, anytime. Second, drag and drop editor. Full visual control move, redesign, perfect every element. At the top, see all your funnel pages, opt-in page, thank you page, each one showing completed status. Switch between pages instantly. On the right side, your element panel. Add text blocks, images, videos, links, columns, maps, anything you need. Just drag and drop it right onto your page. Watch we click on an image, swap it out in seconds. Change a headline, click, type, done. Every element, every section, fully customizable, no code needed. Check your funnel on every device, switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile right from the top bar. Every view, every screen. Perfect. Happy with everything? Save draft changes saved. Live funnel untouched. Only when you're completely ready, hit publish and your updated funnel goes live. Publish or unpublish any page right from the top bar. Got a form on your page? Fourth, analytics. See your page views, unique visitors, conversions, conversion rate, average time on page, traffic trend graph, device breakdown, filter by date, by funnel, by page, and export everything as CSV. Fifth, duplicate. Clone your entire funnel in seconds, perfect for testing or reselling to clients. Sixth, reorder pages. Drag your funnel pages into any sequence. The first published page is what visitors see first. And finally, delete. Remove any funnel you no longer need. Everything you need to manage, optimize, and scale your funnels right here in one place. And that's not all. FunnelHero AI also comes with a full AI website generator. Not a basic page builder, a complete modern multi-section website built by AI in minutes. Click Create Website and the AI asks what kind of business you're building for. E-commerce, e-learning, streaming. Real estate, portfolio, agency, fitness, restaurant, coaching, SaaS, personal branding. Don't see your category? Add your own custom one right there. Pick your category. The AI asks your business name. Tell us what your website is about. What you do, your domain and URL slug generated automatically. Clean, professional, ready. Now choose your AI content model: Grok, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and your AI image model Nano Banana. Flux, GPT image, Deep AI, Luma AI, Grok, your AI, your choice, every time. Pick your language, 20+ languages supported. Now select your website sections: Home, About Us, Services, Product Shop, Portfolio, Blog, Testimonials, FAQ, Contact Us, or type in your own custom section. Anything you need, just add it. Pick your theme mood: modern, bold, luxury, dark, creative, professional. Choose your brand colors, primary and secondary. Your entire website matches your brand instantly. All set? Want to change anything, name, sections, colors, AI model, just say it. The AI updates it instantly. Happy with everything? Say yes and the AI gets to work. Watch your website come to life section by section live in front of you. Home built, gallery built, shop built. Your complete website ready in minutes. Now the editor opens automatically live preview on the right, exactly how your visitors will see it. Want to change anything? Just tell the AI and it updates instantly. Want to add a new section? Just tell the AI add a contact section, add a testimonials block, add anything you need, the AI builds it and drops it right in. Every edit, every addition, just a message away. Need deeper control? Switch to drag and drop, move anything, redesign anything. Pixel perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Then hit publish and your updates go live. Then head to manage website, see all your websites at a glance, status, sections, date, all visible. Connect your own branded domain in minutes, custom DNS, no technical headaches, done. Every lead from every funnel and every website captured automatically, stored in one place, search by name, search by email, nothing missed. Get response, Aweber, MailChimp, Zapier, GoToWebinar. Your tools already connected, ready to go. Funnels, websites, domains, leads, analytics, integrations, one platform, one price, one login. This is FunnelHero AI, your idea, live, today.